Excuse me. Is this hot sauce pretty hot? Any one of those hot?
It's hot.
It's big
Yeah.
hot? Both of them?
I don't know, my friend.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. I'm in the condiments aisle. And, you know, I just happened to walk by the hot sauce. I said, let me check some hot sauce out. Because, you know, I'm about to do a 6 wing, 6 sauce challenge. But I found more hot sauce. So I may have to bump up the 6 wings to 10 wings. This is because I want to try some of these. You got like a Red Devil, cayenne pepper. I found a Jamaican choice, crushed pepper. Cholula, hot sauce. And then I seen this buffalo, or buffalo. But that ain't it. I found the ghost peppers. And everybody know about that ghost pepper. That ghost pepper is burning people up. Can you get by, ma'am? If I give you $10, will you try this ghost pepper? How about $5? You think that's... You don't like hot peppers? Irritate your gums? Well, you know, if this ghost pepper sauce will irritate more than your gums. But I'm doing a hot sauce challenge. I'm gonna do 10 wings, 10 hot sauces. I got a YouTube channel. Check me out, Curtis Roundtree TV. Right. Make sure you like and subscribe so you get to see me do this hot sauce challenge. Alright.